Pack with me for a 7-day quilting cruise to the Bahamas with Stitchin Heaven Quilt Shop. You'll see clearly that I am not a carry-on only type of gal on cruises. First up, we have my airplane travel outfit. I always wear comfy and loose all black clothing with a cozy sweater that can also serve as a blanket. This next one is a comfy classroom tank and tights with a linen sleeveless shirt. I'm often hot in my class, but if you're not hot, then add a sweater, and don't forget, you can always wear your comfy Birks. Accessories: be sure to bring a beach bag and a shopping crossbody bag to keep on your front for safety. On Royal Caribbean, you don't need to bring beach towels because you can sign them out for a shore excursion, as long as you bring them back to the ship. On a hot holiday, flip-flops, a swimsuit cover-up, and a hat are crucial. I bring 2 swimsuits actually as well to rinse and dry and alternate each day. Next up, warm pants. Just 1 pair to go with your airplane sweater. Remember, evenings on a cruise can get quite cool. An activewear outfit is really great if you're into hiking or power shopping, and bring along some runners if you want to have really comfy feet. A casual outfit of comfy jeans and a linen shirt are great for daytime if you're in the classroom all day or on a cooler shore shopping day. I bring warm pajamas and cool pajamas depending on the temperature in the room, and I won't mention all the other undies and socks. I have faith in you that you can count the days and bring the right amount of undies that you need. Here's another casual outfit with white jeans and a tank top, so good for a daytime classroom day or cooler shore shopping day. A skirt or skirt is a perfect choice for a day trip off the boat on a hot day, and you can bring a few light shirts or tank tops to mix and match. I probably bring way too many dresses, but they're so packable and light and comfy, and you can wear them for casual, or you can add a white button down to dress it up a little bit for dinner. And you can wear fancy shoes with a little bling or Birks. This linen number is so comfy, and you add that little crossbody bag and you're out for a day of shopping. This fancy floral dress can step it up a bit for a fancy dinner, and you can elevate the look just by adding a sandal with a little bit of shimmer. You can mix and match fun dresses throughout your entire cruise and even add a pair of runners for a brand new look. So these were my looks for a hot holiday cruise with Stitchin Heaven that was full of excursions and fun, as well as quilting days at sea. Like and follow for more great travel tips. Have you done a cruise with Stitchin Heaven? Go to stitchinheaven.com to check out all the new destinations to choose from.